Following a 2-week court hearing, Justice Adrian Jack ruled in May that Jyske Bank employee Bill Bishop had dishonestly assisted the Marrache brothers in stealing money from client accounts. Liquidators Adrian Hyde and Edgar Lavarello had filed the claim on behalf of a number of clients of Marrache & Co., who argued that the bank had failed to report the Marrache's actions and therefore received funds they knew were in breach of trust. The Marrache brothers, Isaac, Benjamin and Solomon, were all convicted of conspiracy to defraud nearly £30 million of client money. In its notice of appeal filed last June, the bank is arguing that Mr. Justice Jack allowed the claimants to make significant changes to their claim on the first day of trial, without providing a legitimate excuse for not having made these changes before. The bank, represented by David Foxton QC, further argues that the judge allowed the claimants to introduce a number of new claims which did not arise out of the same circumstances set out in the original claim, which Jyske Bank would have had a very good arguable limited defense against. In court, Mr. Foxton took the appeal judges through the arguments made in the trial and said none of the claimants' arguments explained why Mr. Bishop would take the risk of losing his job or even facing criminal prosecution in order to help the Marrache brothers defraud their clients. He said it all came down to whether Mr. Bishop knew or suspected the Marraches were stealing from clients. He said if he didn't, then he couldn't be accused of dishonesty. The claimants are represented by Jonathan Brettler. The appeal is expected to be heard for the rest of the week.